မဲ့ JK ဆွဲတဲ့ဟာပါလဲတစ်ချက်လောက်ဟိုရလုတ်ပေးလို့ရမလားခမပေးချစ်တာโอเคကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်အဆင်ပြေတဲ့လောက်ပဲတက်နိုင်တဲ့လောက်ပဲလုပ်ပေးပါနော်တအားဟိုလက်ဖြစ်မနေဖို့ရမယ်မဟုတ်ပါဘူးနော်ရှင်အောင်တန်းGreg sang thế này mà ông đang chỉ được đấy chứ, amen. Thì cái đó chỉ khi đi nằm mà tôi trả hai đứa thế chỉ là bọn nó đam mê, cho công à để này tí này nữa. Okay. Mama Cherry Mo, thank you so much. Wow. How did you make a JK MC interview? Since you be an interview, you can be a JK later. Oh, that is JK Syria. Let the chat be I am married to my Mama Cherry Mo. Love you. JK, let me ask you to choose about my share. Okay, Jamaica, you say about my share.
What is this, JK?
That is starfish.
Are you sure this is starfish?
Yes. I can tell. JK ရဲ့မမ BB ကသူ့ရဲ့ပုံဆွဲတာမတော်ဆိုပြီးတော့ shock ပြောတယ်
Who? Your mom?
You, Mama BB. Mama
so
is
cute.
Ate.
It looks like a birthday cake already. Just put a...
Thank you. ဒီမှာ JK
Put a candle and I want to see it.
JK တို့ပေးမှာအင်ဒိုနီးရှားမမ Vina လေးရှိပါတယ်ရှင်
Hello. Hola. How to say hola in Vietnam?
Vietnam?
Yeah. Oh, sure. I mean, Myanmar.
Myanmar.
JK, Sophia. I remember your name. That's the most important thing.
Thank you. Mingalawa.
Mingalawa.
Chite.
Mingalawa. Chitties?
Yeah, Chite love you.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Chite. Sorry,
I don't think this is a heart. Okay. What are you drawing me?
It's a secret.
It's a secret.
I'm letting them guess.
Okay.
Masam ka.
It's like, maybe I'm hungry.
Yeah.
I just look at everything like a birthday cake and I want to eat everything. Girl.
Right.
I'm hungry.
I think we're gonna go drink on the Sky Bar later. Juice. She's hungry. Bye, Sani.
I'm hungry. My two daughters.
My two daughters.
They want to eat.
They're very cute. They're very cute.
My future two daughters.
One is Veronica, the other is Samantha.
Yeah, and she wrote me before I come.
All the
here.
guys, we have just only 5 minutes left.
My friend.
Okay.
Be
Just 5 minutes left. If anybody finishes, you can constrain it to the container. Then we call shalom in Thai. Just open it up like this and put the charcoal inside and close it. And every artist today, you can take your masterpiece back to your home.
Okay.
Okay. It's a souvenir from us. Okay.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, hello Intercontinental Hua Hin. Thank you so much for letting us stay at your 5-star amazing big wide beachy building. Love you so much. Guys, we have a 5-star founder looking at us, so we should say thank you. Thank you လို့ပြောပေးရမယ်ထင်တယ်ကျေးဇူးတင်ကြောင်းပါနော်ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ် thank you လို့ comment လေးမှာမမေးလို့
After
ရ
now,
မ
we're
လား
going to go
နော်
to the center court, the tennis center court, and take a photo together.
Thank you,
okay?
Hua Hin. Thank you, Intercontinental Hua Hin.
Okay, I'm done, girl.
Are you guys having fun for today?
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
I'm really glad to hear like that. Which activity you like?
Oh,
Dancing.
I like that.
I like picture.
Does anyone, how many people like to paint the charcoal? Can I hear? Okay, wow, many people. Okay.
Thank you, everybody.
Who's went to Pilates class? Who went to Pilates class? How the feeling?
Thank you, Peng
Not
Shui.
here, right? Who go to Cafe Dance?
Yeah.
just going to cover them.
Can I show
How you
mine?
feeling?
Okay. Ooh.
Night rabbit,
Rabbit, baby,
I
bye.
should take a picture.
Thank you. That's so cute.
You like it?
Yes. It looks exactly like.
I'm trying. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I'm done. Okay, everybody.
Everybody, if you finish, just
Starfish,
take
it's a
the
starfish.
container and we will go to the Santa Claus for now. Okay.
အားလုံးပဲ JK ဒီနောက်မှာပါဆွဲထားလဲ comment ပေးကြည့်ပါလားမန်နဲ့လူကို
If you're ready, you can take
Abba,
it
baby.
and go to Santa Claus for now.
မန်နဲ့လူကိုအပါပေးမယ်
Following Kun. Just following Kulenu, Kap. Kulenu will take you to the Santa Claus, the tennis Santa Claus. Okay.
now interview တရုပ်စကားပြောတတ်ကြောင်းပြော
Don't forget to take your masterpiece back.
ဟုတ်ကဲ့
Thank you.
ဟုတ်ကဲ့အားလုံးပဲ JK ပါဆွဲထားလဲတစ်ချက် comment မှာမန်ကြည့်ပါလား I don't have a container. Yeah, I don't have. Yes. Thank you, ขอบคุณค่ะ Meaningful.
I'm done.
You're done? ขอบคุณค่ะมาเลย
Thank you.
เข้ามาเลย对သွားပြီမြန်မာအလံကိုထိုင်းအလံနဲ့တကယ်ကတော့ JK ကတော့အလံနဲ့အကုန်လုံးစုပေါင်းထားချင်တာ
Let's
ပေါ့
go
နော်
to the
ဒါပေ
tennis
မဲ့
Santa Claus together.
ဒါပဲချင်နိုင်တာဖြစ်ပါတယ်
And don't forget to take your
အသေးပုံ
masterpiece
ဆိုတော့
back.
တကဘာလုံးကို unity ဖြစ်အောင် harmony ဖြစ်အောင် JK
You
တို့
can put the shackles to
Brand
the
international
salon,
ကနေပြီး
the
တော့
Thai traditional container and get back to your home. Okay?
Okay, sure. You know the
You're
meaning?
welcome. Thank you so much.
Myanmar and Thai. Also, I want to include other, but I don't have time.
I'm going to bring this one back to Malaysia. Wow.
I'm gonna bring this one back to Myanmar.
Yeah,
Mana babi.
that's so bad now.
Mana lu alam wa abwa ba.
Okay.
Really?
3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Hurry up.
Let's go. Charcoal. Where do we put this? Like, ဟုတ်တယ်မြန်မာအလံရဲ့ Thai အလံရဲ့ပေါင်းထားတာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ရှင်ခု JK တို့ပြီးရပါပြီနောက်ထပ်တစ်နေရာကိုသွားမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ရှင်ขอบคุณค่ะ Oh
Let's take a photo.
Oh
Look how beautiful everything. Oh, thank you.
Wow
เวียดนามประกาศมา
Photo ประกาศ photo Yado
อายาดม
Yado What is this? It's Yado
อิสยาดม
Fresh Fresh Yado
ได้ไหมได้ไหมอ่ะมองกันครับอ่ะอันนี้พอมาแล้ว
Wow, this one is strong. Yeah, this one is
I think the previous one is
but this one is strong.
Oh thank you Oh my gosh
you can shoot
Oh it's like a present
เสร็จแล้ว
What are you saying?
อยากได้อันนี้ for you
Yay.
JK တို့လက်ဆောင်ပေးပါတယ်အသက်
This is the
ถ่าย
same.
รูปเอาถ่ายรูปครับอ่ะเชิญค่ะ
Thank you ค่ะ Thank you ค่ะ嘟嘟嘟 Thank you ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะขอบคุณค่ะอุ๊မြန်မာအလံဆွဲနေလားขอบคุณค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ everybody အခု JK တော့အပြင်မှာအခုနောက်ထပ် activity သွားမယ်ပေါ့နော် Sky Bar ကိုတောင်းမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ရှင့်အဲ့ရောက်လို့ရှင့် JK live နောက်တစ်ခေါက်ပြန်လုပ်ပါမယ်ရှင့်အခုကြတော့ပြန်လာခဲ့ပါမယ်နော် group photo ရိုက်မယ်ဆိုတော့love you guys so much ရတော့ Blackpink Lisa ပြောတော့ရတော့ဖြစ်ပါတယ်ရှင်